One of the questions I get asked frequently is if I have a brand new floor, vinyl floor, luxury floor, or laminated floor, do I really need to clean that before sealing it with one of your CoverTec sealers? Well, the answer is yes, because oftentimes those floorings come with a factory applied protective coating or a waterproof coating, and we need to prep that surface in order to get a good seal with the CoverTec products like the VinylGuard or the Luxury FloorSeal. So the easiest way to do that is to use a scouring pad, a maroon Scotch-Brite pad, and scrub the floor with a little water. Just need to use a damp mop to dampen the floor. We're not trying to introduce a lot of water at this stage, but just to scrub it. If you have a large area, you can use a 3M Scotch-Brite pad under a floor scrubbing machine. If you don't want to get on your hands and knees on a residential area, you could use a flat mop frame and put the pad underneath that. But either way, you want to scrub the floor and then just mop up any residue, let it dry, and then you could go ahead and apply the seal. That way you'll avoid any issues with the sealer beating up or bubbling up on the surface when you first apply.